Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a product review of a meat thermometer from Whousewe. Alright, this is the Whousewe digital 2-probe meat thermometer. This was sent to me from the good people from Whousewe to do a review on. And this here sells on Amazon for, let me check here quick guys, I don't want to mess up the price. This sells on Amazon for, I'm looking on my tablet, $18.99. But I'm going to put the link to it in the description bar, and I'm going to put a money-saving code in there for you. That you can get this for $12.24. And if you ask me, $12.24 for a good meat thermometer, you can't beat that. And guys, I opened this up already. What you get in there is you get your instruction manual. You get 2 batteries. You get 2 clip-on clips for your meat probes and your 2 meat probes. And guys, this is really good quality. This here is like a metal mesh oven proof wire. These probes are heavy duty, and there's a reinforced spring right here so it doesn't bend or break your wire and you get your thermometer. And guys, this feels like it's high quality. So let's go ahead and get the batteries in here. Let's check this out, and then we're going to try it out, okay? Alright guys, let me quickly go over a few highlights of this meat thermometer. It has 2 probes. You can use 1 or both probes at the same time. It has a 23-hour and 59-minute timer that counts backwards or forwards. A temperature range probe of up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really high cooking. Now I don't know who would cook that high. 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or that would be minus 10 Celsius to 300 Celsius. Temperature tolerance of internal food reading, so it keeps track of your internal temperature of your food. And then it has plus and minus 1.8 Fahrenheit, minus 1.0 Celsius. That's real technical stuff there. It has your batteries, and it holds 2 AA batteries, which are included. Now let me turn this on for you guys. The power button's right on the top. You just press it and hold it. Now that has a really big clear display, and here you can select what meat you're cooking at for pork, goat or lamb, fish. This here, that's like a hamburger. We just passed turkey, chicken. Let me start over here at the top. You have beef. There's beef, there's turkey, there's chicken, pork, I guess it would be lamb, fish, there was a hamburger, and that's another beef. And here you have your timer. You can set your timer. Here you have the temperature of your meat. Now I have it set on Fahrenheit. You can also change it to Celsius. This is for your first probe, this is for your second probe, and then you set it what you want it set at. Now we're going to do some chicken breast bone in. Now I know boneless chicken breast takes about a half hour at 400 degrees. I'm assuming this will take 45 minutes to 55 minutes, but I'm not quite sure. So we're going to insert one of the probes in one of those chicken breasts, and we'll be accurate right down to the perfect temperature, so where it's safe to eat that at 165 where nobody will get sick. So let's go and get our chicken ready, and I'll insert the probe and we'll get rolling. Alright guys, I have 3 really big large chicken breasts here. This is going to be for the 5 of us. I bought 5 individual chicken breasts, but after seeing how big these are, we're just going to share 3 of them because they're really that big. And you can see, these are going to take a while to bake in the oven. Now I would assume 45 minutes to an hour, but I don't know for sure, so that's where the thermometer is going to come in really handy. I'm going to take my probe and stick it into a thick part of chicken. And let me get this in the oven, and then we'll hook up the rest of the thermometer. Right now that I have my chicken in the oven, and you just close the oven door right on the cord. And the nice thing about this, guys, is you're not opening and closing that oven door, letting heat escape from the oven, unnecessarily warming your kitchen up, and you're not having to pull that chicken out and going with a manual thermometer or a digital thermometer and poke the meat. This does it for you. Now I'm going to plug my probe in to the probe 1 port. That's over here on the left. Probe 2 is on the right. Power button on top. I'm going to turn this on. Now we're going to select our type of meat. We want to go to the chicken setting. Now this is telling me that my chicken is at 37 degrees Fahrenheit and we want to reach 165 degrees. That's at 175. So I'm going to adjust that down to 165. Now when that hits 165, this alarm will go up to let me know that my chicken's ready. Now I'm assuming this is going to take between 45 minutes and an hour, but I really don't know for sure because I haven't done chicken breast on a bone in a long time. So that's where this will come in handy. And there's a really handy kickstand on the back of this. See how to open it, that you can swing open. And you can sit that down there. Let me activate the light there again. Yes, Dexter, I'm doing a review video. And I disturbed that so we can see the light. Alright. And you can set it like that. Now one feature I wish this had, which you can easily change yourself, is I wish I had a magnet on the back. It has a little thing to hang it on the wall. But you can buy a magnet with double-sided tape, stick it on there, stick one on your surface of your oven. You really don't have to because it's metal. And then you can just attach it to your oven door or to the back of your stove. That's a simple fix. So we're going to let that go. And once it's going to keep track of the temperature of my chicken, where it's at now, and it's going to let me know when it's at 165. So we're going to let that go, and I can just kick my feet up and relax. I don't got to worry about babysitting that chicken. Alright guys, this is done. My chicken reached 165 degrees. The timer went, or the alarm went off to let me know that it's time. Let's get our chicken out, cut into it, and see how it turned out. Guys, look at how delicious my chicken is. A nice crispy coating, well seasoned. Let me get in here and cut into this chicken, and this is the moment of truth to see if it's cooked through. Look at that, guys. That chicken's cooked perfect, juicy. The thermometer did a really good job. And guys, other than getting the thermometer free from the company, I don't get any kickback on it, so I'm giving you my honest opinion. I would say this thermometer, other than the fact that it lacks a magnetic stick on the back, this is a really good thermometer, high quality, very accurate. So there you have it, a product review on the Whousewe 2-probe meat thermometer. Down in the description bar, I'll put a link where you can pick it up and a discount code to get it for $12 and change. You can't beat that for a good quality digital thermometer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.